Adulting is hard, but Hoto makes it easier. The 3.6-volt screwdriver tool set comes with all the home hand tools I need. A claw hammer with magnetic nail starter, a self-locking measuring tape, plus an adjustable wrench with an extra wide jaw and strong grip. Then there's a 3.6-volt screwdriver kit. It has a 3-level torque adjustment and a ring LED light, so I can see what I'm doing wherever the job takes me. And no more calling Dad when my tires are running low. The Hoto air pump can refill my car tire within minutes. I always bring it with me on my bike rides too, just in case. The Hoto compressed air capsule keeps my car super clean too. It vacuums and dusts in those hard-to-reach areas. See? Adulting isn't that hard. But I still might call Dad, just because.